in 10 minutes. Dwayne, can you check on Frank? Tell him it's dinner time.
What, you don't talk anymore? You can talk, you just choose not to.
Grandpa, am I pretty?
You are the most beautiful girl in the whole world.
And you're just saying that?
No, I'm not. I'm madly in love with you, and it's not because of your brains or your person.
There are two kinds of people in this world, winners and losers.
Stop it!
Wrap it up.
You started it. A la mode translates as in the fashion. A la mode.
Frank, shut up. Everybody push! We're going to California.
How did it happen?
I fell in love with someone who didn't love me back. I was very much in love, very much so.
Dwayne, are you getting any?
Dad.
You should be getting that young
Dad.
stuff.
Stop! You're not gonna shut me up. I still got Nazi bullets in my head. Hey! Hey! Stuck or something.
Try pulling him.
Oh, jeez, I'm being pulled over.
What's that, chicken? Every night is chicken. Holy God almighty. Is it possible just once
Dad?
we could get something to eat for dinner around here that's not the damn chicken?
Hey, Dad. Everybody, just pretend to be normal. We're going to California.
I was
Sick.
very
He's a
unhappy.
sick man. He's a sick in his head man.
Richard.
I don't think it's an appropriate conversation for a 7-year-old.
Where's Olive?
Oh,
Oh, how about that?
All right.